Dennis Mwai uria ni abithaa wa borithi ceceni-ini ya borithi ya KICC na uria ni mwikuirwo wa gatatu njuragano-ini ya Anthony Njomo eguthii na mbere na kuhingirwo kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 niguo kuhe kanya uthuthuria makiria. Mwena wa thitango ukuhoete igoti thiku 14 cia uthuthuria makiria ukiuga mwikuirwo arekererio aya guthoga AIRA kuona ni arathogete mucinga uria urekuirwo wahuthirirwo njuragano-ini iyo niguo kuhithania WIRA ihoya riria riyukirio ni igoti ria Kiambu mbere ya mucirithania wa Njirung'ang'a.
The court is equally called upon to balance the interests of the respondent hearing, who is presumed innocent until otherwise, and the public at large. A life was lost. It is for these reasons and in the interest of justice I am satisfied that the application dated the 28th May 2024 has merit and is therefore allowed as spread. In conclusion, the respondent shall be detained for 14 days pending investigations.
Gatagati-ini ka maundu mangi mwena wa thitango uri na kibarua gia gwethana na ekwirwo angi atatu aria maririurirwo kwa ihinda ria thiku icio 14.
I have carefully considered the gravity of the offence being investigated and the complexity of investigations involved. I've also taken into consideration the position the respondent holds in the society, and I agree with the applicant. The respondent is a person of influence, being a police officer, and there is a likelihood that he will interfere with witnesses and investigation if released on bail or bond.
Njomo uria urari muruti wa wira ubaruthi-ini wa Amerika arathirwo tuko wa gukia kiumia nja wa kirabu kimwe tauni-ini ya Kiambu ari mukira-ini wa barabara. Kuringana na riboti ya maabithaa borithi, gikuũ kia Njomo kiumanire na mbara ya ikundi igiri kia mwikuirwo wa mbere na wa keri aria marũagira hiki mari thiini wa kirabu kiu matanauma nja kuria mutino wahanikire. Uu ari mugaru na riboti ya urugamiriri wa kirabu giki uria urauga mbara yari nja. Riboti-ini ingi kurerikana eri ya ekwirwo aya atatu umwe ari abithaa uyu wa borithi ni aruti a wira kambuni-ini ya wendia wa manyumba ya Comfort Home. Kameme TV githie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Njitagwo Wanjiku wa Wanjiku.